Okay, guys, Colton here. This is like take 5 of this video I have because I'm at my grandma's house and my cousin's here and he's like 3 years old and he won't be quiet. So I just moved to the other room so I could take this video. I really hope my cousin doesn't like sneak on my computer or come in and like listen to me talking smack about him. But yeah, so anyway, hey Kyler. Oh, hey Caden. But okay, he just walked in. I don't know if he was. Did they just talk me? Never mind. Heard that. What was I gonna do today? I totally forgot. Oh gosh. What was I gonna do? What was I gonna be twisting turns? Oh yeah, and I'm also a non-member now. It sucks. Can't do anything anymore now. Well, practically anything. I mean, you can wear turkey hats and hair. But happy Thanksgiving, guys. Hope you're having a great time. And there's a turkey. I see a turkey. Look, turkey. Okay. Anyways, another thing. Big shout out. Oh, giveaway. That's right. Haha. I'm not sure if anyone commented, but I'm gonna just see anyways. Because in case you didn't, oh wait, hang on. Okay, I've hit, oh my gosh, we're almost at 40. Guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, turns out only my best friend commented. So, there are 2 people, 1 person at my dad. Plus London. Hey, I'm recording, Martin. Say hi. He will. Oh, and guys, as soon as we hit 100 subscribers, not only will I do a live stream, but also a face reveal. So 100 subs, live streams, and a face reveal. They're Bolt. Oh, in case you don't know, Bolt is my sister's nickname. She is playing with my cousin. You're what? Tell me. The suspense is real. I'm London Stout. Yeah, I knew. You know what? Oh, she's advertising her channel. Link in the description. Go check it out right now. Like literally right now, as you're watching this, pause the video, do whatever you want. Go check out her channel. Like, subscribe, do whatever you can. Again, big shout out to my best friend who's been literally taking over my channel. Here's a tour of did my den not get saved? Or is this a different den? Please tell me this is a different den. Oh, there's my mechanical den. That one only has like some of the mechanicals. Oh, I remember this den. Yeah. I'm gonna do something. Okay. Oh, by the way, I still have free chat, so I can say things like 32. 32 is my lucky number. That's why I have 32 and everything, pretty much. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys very soon. I totally didn't copy that from anyone. Okay. If anyone, just comment down below if you think I... Oh my gosh. Yeah. Bye, guys.